Hello guys, in this video I'll be showing how you can create a YouTube channel just as I promised, basically with your phone, your mobile phone in 2022 without money, and what you just need is some data on your phone. So creating a YouTube channel is very easy and fast. You'll be surprised that a lot of you have access to YouTube, and I've been using the app and uploading videos, making shorts, going viral. But you'll be shocked that even when you reach the standard for monetization, which is 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hour, you might not be eligible for the monetization because you haven't created a YouTube account. That is why in this video I'll be showing how you can have a successful YouTube account just by following what I'm going to show you. But before we continue, make sure you have a working Gmail which you can use to create the account. What I mean by working Gmail is a Google Mail. That is the email you have, so make sure you have an email which you can use to open the account. So let's go guys, let's go. And please don't forget to click the red subscribe button below this channel, this video please. And while you are clicking that red subscribe button is basically for you to continue getting more notifications about any new video I'm going to drop, and you are going to be the first person, and you are going to get an insider notifications about new videos I drop. Just as I promised, now when you want to create that YouTube channel, you don't need to go and click on the YouTube app. You don't need the YouTube app. You have to go to their web page, and that means you need a browser, which I prefer you use Google Chrome. You click on Google Chrome. I believe you can also use any web browser that you have there right now. Now you have to search, you have to go to their web page. That's www. Okay, that's already youtube.com. Right now you're on YouTube. This is YouTube through their web page and not the original channel. Now to create a channel is basically easy. You see this icon here, this profile icon with the S, you have to click on it, then it will take you to this section. This particular account, I've not created a channel on it, that's why I'm using it for an example. I just created it for an example. And you must make sure you have a Google Mail, you must have an email before you will be able to create an account on YouTube. So again, you click on this S with the pink color, this icon. You click on the S and will take you on how to create channel. Now this is your YouTube name. Let me see, education. Now while making a YouTube channel, you must make it to be practically easy and very easy for your subscribers to always remember your channel, not choosing a big name, and when somebody wants to try calling your channel, it will take a long time. So make your YouTube channel name very short and easy. So after education, you can choose any other name you want. Educational wealth, you can choose education wealth, or just like mine, any name of your choice that people will easily remember. Now this is an education wealth. Now basically you are finished creating your YouTube channel. What you are just left to do right now is you click on this create channel option, this blue button you are seeing right now. You click on the create channel, and when you click on it, your channel automatically has been created. When you get there now, you will see an option to change your profile picture and put any avatar of your choice. So please guys, if you watch this video to the end, make sure you don't procrastinate. Go on and open your YouTube channel, and you can start making a lot of money from it. Please click on the red subscribe button, share this video to your friends to also see. And in the next video, I'm going to show you how you can basically create, as you have created this YouTube channel, how you can basically do a proper keyword research. One problem is creating the YouTube channel, and the other is knowing how to optimize your YouTube channel for proper SEO content, so that people can continue and viewers you will view your videos and you will start making money. Till we see the next time, please go down and click on the next video in the description button how to do a proper keyword research. Thank you.